Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will compute land surface temperature on all the Landsats from Landsat 4 to Landsat 9. So please watch this video till end so you will learn how to compute land surface temperature on Landsats. First of all we have to see the formula of Landsat. So the Landsat is like driven by this formula and I will use this formula to generate LST with Google Earth Engine, or I will perform LST calculation by using Google Earth Engine on all the Landsats. So let's start with Landsat 4. For here for an example I'm using Bolivia as a case study, so to show you all the Landsat. So first of all I am going to show you with Landsat 4. At the end I will explain my code that how you can design, but before that I just want to show you the different results by Landsat. So it's the result of Landsat 4. Like in 1991 the mean LST value for 1991 was 25 degrees Celsius. Then in 1992 23, in 1993 then it like gradually rise 26. So here is the example of Landsat 4. First of all I'm gonna just show you each Landsat example, then I will at the end explain the code. Now I am moving to Landsat 5 and I will show you the result of Landsat 5. Then we will move to Landsat 7. Let me run Landsat 5. Now here you can see on Landsat 5 I'm just showing you the results. So like here you can see as compared to Landsat 4, Landsat 5 was like bit more convenient, and here you can see data is being loaded on mostly all over the Bolivia, and here you can see the values like I calculated 2005 mean LST value, 2006, 2007, 2009, 10 for 5 years. Here you can see in 2005 the temperature was around like 26 degrees Celsius, sorry, in 2005, and in 6 it was same, in 7 almost same, in 2008 it gradually like increasing you can see, and in 2010 it was more like 28. So here is an example of Landsat 5, and let me show you. Here's the example of Landsat 5 and you can see. Now move to the next, which is Landsat 7, as Landsat 6 got failed. Sorry, yeah. Now moving to the Landsat 7, but before moving to Landsat 7 I have to minimize this one, and now I'm gonna show you Landsat 7, and here's the result of Landsat 7 I'm gonna show. And this is like I'm computing this on Landsat 7, and here you can see like 2014, then 2013, then 2012, 2011. So this way you can sense your like different years data for that particular data set. And now let's move to Landsat 8. But before moving to Landsat 8, you can see the values for Landsat 7. Like in 2011 it was 28, in 2012 28, 13 28, and 2014 it's like 29. So these were the results from Landsat 7. And now moving to Landsat 8, I will show you Landsat 8 now. Don't worry about code, at the end I will also explain this, the code, and you will get from there. And here's the practical example of Landsat 8 that I'm just gonna compute. And here you can see it's the result of Landsat 8 being just loaded for it's almost for 5 years, for like 2015 to 20. And you can see the results on screen. Like it's 2020, it's 2019, it's 2018, it's 2017, it's 2016, it's so we. And let me show you now the last one, that's Landsat 9, and then we will understand the code. But before, I just wanted to show you the results. Now moving to Landsat 9, which is the most recent one, and I will show you the dates here in like 2023. But for the Landsat 8 you can see the values like 2015, 30, 216, 30, and how temperature is like gradually rising from 1990s to the present. So 2018 28, and 2019 30, 2020 30. And now I'm going to show you the last one, Landsat 9, and then we will move to the code. And you can sense that Landsat 9 is like bit more clear than others. Imagery is very much clear, very much colors are very much vibrant on this dataset, and details are like more clear. Data is no more vague than like other Landsats. And here I calculated for 2021, 2022, and 2023 on Landsat 9. So actually it can be error of Landsat imagery, so don't worry about that. Sometimes it also shows us that there might be imagery is not available, so you can click here and you can click on expansion tool, inspection tool, and it can show you like LST mask. In 2021 there was cloud, so you can like play with your cloud or you can remove cloud. I will show you code. So via this way you can check it's masked or not, or what's going on here. But you can see in 2022 and 2023 the results for this particular area. And for overall areas you can see like 30, 29, in 30, 33 in 2021. By the way, these were the practically examples from all the Landsats. Now let's move to code one by one, and you will get the code, and I will explain all the codes one by one. So here's the Landsat for calculation methodology. So first of all you have to replace your shapefile with the actual path of your shapefile. For example, I can show you I will show you at the end how you can do this, but here you just have to see that uh, this is your shapefile. This is like my shapefile address, so you can replace with your shapefile address, and you don't have to modify the rest of the code. You can just remain this code, or you can paste this code as it is. Just replace your shapefile here. So here, first of all, I loaded my area of interest. Okay, and then I functioned the images to start date and end date. And filter bound ali is actually my area of interest, and cloud cover land is 20. Like, as I clicked on inspector tool and it told me that there was match, so it's up to you. You can reduce or increase the value to get accurate values. So it depends on your study area. You have to do bit climatic study for your study area, or you may better know what kind of conditions prevail there. It's cloudy area, or what kind of area where you live in, or on which you are going to calculate LST. So you can modify the code accordingly. And here's the formula. You don't have to change this one. The main thing for every Landsat is actually the band. For every Landsat, you have to check is the correct band set loaded or not. Like, you can read documentation. So for Landsat 4, the thermal band is like surface reflectance band 6, and via this way you can calculate your uh, Landsat LST on Landsat 4. So here's the code, and here's the you can print mean land surface temperature values. And here's the code. Here's one thing that I want to show, that I used best effort. uh, you don't have to worry about if your study area is large enough, or your study area is sometimes you may get error in Google Earth Engine. You have to define max pixel, etc. So in this you don't have to worry about that. You simply have to put this best effort true, so it will automatically adjust your area, and it will automatically assign max pixel value to each pixel. So I used this best effort approach here, and used reduced region. So here's the almost full code of LST calculation for Landsat 4. You simply have to replace your shapefile here, and you can and let the rest of the code remain the same, and simply click run, and you will get your LST calculations. And make sure, if you get any error, if your code is exactly same to same like my code, and if you get any error band is not available, or it means that that particular Landsat area is not showing any imagery on your area. So don't worry about that. So it was for Landsat 5. Now our code will almost same for all others, but little bit difference, and I will show you the little bit difference what we will actually do. Here the band is same, just this Landsat 5 tile loaded here. You can see I loaded image collection by Landsat 5, and rest of the code is almost same. And here I selected minimum to show -40 and maximum to 50, like to for whole world. I just selected this as an average value, but it's up to your study area. For example, if you're living in hot areas where literally you get winter season, so you don't have to put -40 here. It's just to show it's just for showcase. So you can arrange these values or set these values from -1 or 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. So it's up to you, but these are generals. And if you put -40 and 50, so these are generals. Any single value will be eliminated for your LST calculations, and you will get accurate values for your study area. So it was all about Landsat 5, now Landsat 7. Here's the code is almost same as Landsat 5, only this tile changed, and you can apply cloud cover and the formula will remain same, and you will get the Landsat calculations for 2000 sorry, LST calculation for 2000 for Landsat 7. And here is Landsat 8, and here you have to notice that I changed the band. Like in previous you can see it was not band surface reflectant band 10, it was like band 6, because they use like band 6 for thermal, but in Landsat 8 you can see change to like band 10 is for thermal infrared. So you just have to change this band and rest of the code will remain same, and you will get for 2000 Landsat 8. And now the last one, Landsat 9, on which you can calculate your land surface temperature, which is the latest one. And here also the band is like surface reflectance band 10, and you can play with cloud cover. For example, it's 20, and for example if it's Landsat 9 and not showing imagery here, so I will just change this value and I will get something here. Let me show you live demo, but doing this I have to comment my Landsat 4. It's open. Let me comment this one. Now you will see the difference. For example, it's 2021 image, so let me check if it shows or not. So it's 20, I'm just setting it to and gonna click run, and then I will check what's the difference and what I get. And you noticed when I clicked on like 2, values also changed here. And but the main thing was that like I'm unable to get like images as I was getting on 20. It means I have to increase the value. For example, if I write here 30 and then click on run, then we will see what happens. And here you can see like it's showing more than before. So it's all up to this cloud cover values, how you play with them, and you will get little bit change, because it depends on the area as I told. So you have to check your area, and but the difference will not like that enough. It will be like very close 29 30, but it will be not like here. If it's like you doing 30 and it will be 29, and in next response you do 2 here and it will be 15. So there will be only 1 to 2 or 5, not more than that. So but here you can see uh, the results. So via this way you can calculate your land surface temperature. And now let me show you for different area. For example, let me calculate this Landsat 9 on another area. To show you example, you just have to replace this shapefile and you will get your study area land surface temperature. For example, I'm doing it for Lahore, Pakistan. Just simply loading Lahore shapefile, going to copy the asset and gonna replace my shapefile simply and click on run. and you will get your study area LST map. Here you go. And you can check that how much difference. Like in 2021 it was like 23, and then in 2022 27, and in 2023 it is like 32. You can sense how much climate change affecting our environment, our climate, and it's like very much different from 2021. I personally I'm living in Lahore, and I can feel that in 2021 the average temperature was like good, but in 2023 it was more worse, and you can see the values. So via this way you can calculate your land surface uh, temperature on Landsats. I hope that you find this tutorial helpful. So please like, subscribe, and share my channel with others so they get benefits. Stay blessed. Bye.